Welcome to Guacamole, your touchless intelligence security solution. Guacamole keeps your device safe automatically. The moment you step away, your screen blocks, protecting your work and your privacy. When you return, it recognizes you instantly. No touch, no password, bringing you right back in, securely and effortlessly. Need extra privacy? Turn on shoulder surfing protection to block onlookers, or pause recognition anytime you want to take a break. When you're ready, just start Guacamole again. You're in control. Choose how fast Guacamole locks your screen, and enable anti-spoofing for smarter real-time protection. Want to share your device? Add another trusted user in just a few seconds. It is safe and simple. And check your usage analytics anytime to see how Guacamole is protecting your device. With Guacamole, security just happens, effortlessly.